Okay, VERO stock analysis next week and onward. Is it a buy or not? Watch this 1-minute video till the end to find out. Looking at Venus concept, 6.16% up is good performance. I mean, it's solid, but generally looking at this, crashed kind of hard the day before. I've made more videos than anyone else in the space, and I have collected my data with 39,000 video proof, right? But generally speaking, in these instances, I just stay out of the way, you know? This is without the drawings. Crazy pump up and then kind of a correction down. Honestly, man, I want more volatility. And only if I see like a decent double break and whatnot, great volatility and the confirmation is met, then I'm going to look to take it up. But guess what? That takes time and it's not just going to happen, you know? So I'm going to keep you updated. And if you want to make more money trading in a simple, lean way, then just click the first link in the description. It's a free newsletter. Goodbye and enjoy. See ya.